Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Competitive markets always seek balance, so let's quickly analyze what happens when prices rise above the equilibrium point to find our correct answer choice today. Starting at a price above equilibrium, we immediately see that producers want to sell more while consumers want to buy less, which creates a surplus of goods in the market. To eliminate this surplus and clear the shelves, the market price must naturally begin to fall, which then triggers a specific reaction from both the buyers and the sellers involved. According to the laws of supply and demand, quantity supplied will decrease and quantity demanded will increase until we finally reach equilibrium again. Well done! Scan now. Avoid a rush to watch signs. You must trust given data and check steps for the right result.